Hey there, Pisces. Welcome to my channel Dream Tarot, and this is a reading for your love life, particularly for the month of October. And I have already shuffled card and pull out cards for you because I have done a reading already in another language. So let me tell you what cards are came up for you, as you are seeing that the Hangman, King of Cup, King of Pentacles, Ten of Cups, and underneath the deck you have Ten of Swords, High Priestess, Page of Cups, Six of Wands, Ten of Pentacles, and King of Wands. Maybe this King of Wand is your partner, or maybe this is your energy. You are very much charismatic in the month of October. You are doing good. You are abundant in your life this time, or maybe you are doing good in your love life. You are abundant. You are successfully moving forward with your love life and with your partner. You are having some kind of new love offer, but you are very much you want to take decision about this, or maybe this is the person around you. Maybe this is your person. This person is doing something behind the scene, and they are doing good behind the scene, and they are hiding their love life from you, or they want to end this painful situation, or they want to come out from this situation, this and a painful situation. They want to end this painful situation from their love life, or you want to end this painful situation in your life, and so you want some stability and abundance in your love life. So Pisces, there is a Hangman card, so you are waiting for some kind of something, or you are starting saying differently about this relationship, or this partner is seeing you with different perspective, or maybe you and your partner is waiting for something to happen, but your partner is not showing their emotion, and they are not giving you what you want in this life, or what you want in love life. So they are holding their emotions back. So maybe you were with a person who is holding their emotions back and not giving you the things which or maybe they are not giving you the stability and commitment. They are holding you in a waiting period, or you are holding they are making you hold. So that's why you are leaving this person behind, and you are connected to someone else which is more good than this person. This person is stable and generous toward you. They want stability and happiness with you, or maybe you are having some kind of happy moment regarding your love life. Maybe some celebration kind of things will you will be you will having in the end of the October. So I have clarify this Hangman, so I get the Fool and the Nine of Cups. So this Hangman is you are waiting for your wish to come true, and you want to start something new in your life, but this new beginning is not happening what you are wishing for. Because of this person is holding their emotions back, not giving you the stability. So this King of Cups clarify with the Judgment and the Eight of Swords. So this person is stuck in some kind of relationship from their past. Maybe this person is stuck with their past person, and that's why they are not giving you the stability what you want. So that's why you are moving on to this person, or maybe this person is doing good in their life. And what I have clarified this Ten of Cup, what you were celebrating, this clarify with the Ten of Cup. You are having abundant happiness with this person in the end of the October, or maybe in the mid of October. You are having something, you are having some kind of relationship with which will be worth of celebrating, or maybe there is mind game and manipulation is going on in the family situation. Some people are gossiping about you, and people are tug of war and mind game manipulation. about this abundant happiness of yours. So people are not happy, they are doing something to affect your love life or your happiness. So that's why you are in a pain and you want to end this situation, you are want to end this family dynamic which is giving you some kind of mind game manipulation kind of environment. So or maybe this you are having some celebration with this person, um, and some cards come up as your outcome: Knight of Cup, Four of Pentacles, the Sun, and the Chariot. So with this offer, with this new offer, not this offer, you are having some offer from someone who want to come towards you. It's just a offer. This person don't moving their step towards you. This person is moving their step and they have security of their with this person you will have the security of your love life, your happiness, and you will move forward successfully with this person. Or maybe this is a person around you, some earth sign you are dealing with, who is doing good in their life. They want to end this family dynamic mind game manipulation and they are moving forward successfully for their happiness. Someone choose their happiness here and want to move away, and they want to make their love life secure. And what they want their happiness. They choose their happiness and want to move forward successfully. So maybe this person, this is your energy, or this can be your person's energy. Maybe you are moving forward with this person with this stability, or or maybe this is your person who want to move forward with their past person. But I'm seeing that you are doing good in your love life, or in month of October maybe there will be some celebrating kind of energies you are having with your partner regarding your love life maybe. So Pisces, this was your reading for the month of October. If it resonates you, please let me confirm in the comment below. Like my video, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.